Here I have iPhone XS and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings, scroll down and choose general. Scroll down again and here you need to choose reset. From the following options, let's choose reset all settings. This will reset all settings, but what's really important, no data or media will be deleted, so let's choose reset all settings to confirm it and tap reset all settings one more time to begin the whole operation. So right now the iPhone is restoring the default settings. Let's just wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the home screen just pops up, so it simply means that reset settings has just been performed successfully, so now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.